What up, y'all? We're here today at JC Performance. Y'all see that flag? Real nice. All right, so today we were knocking out these studs. Originally, we had Vargas titanium studs on them, but they were trash, and Motorsport Hardware was nice enough to send us a set here, steel. Very nice. Let's check up front, see what JC Performance did. Bam! Same thing. All nice and snug in there. So, we got that fixed. We got new crank bolts here, as our stock ones did back out, which sucks, but we'll get that fixed ASAP. With the blow-by issue, the can was also part of that, so we are getting a new can when we can, and we won't have any more oil everywhere on our engine bay. So, again, huge shout out to JC Performance right here. He's gotten his car running right, fixed all the issues on it, and let's have him talk.
What's up, guys? Joe Mar here, JC Performance. If you're in the DFW area, you need B58, S58, Gen 1, Gen 2, or any other basic maintenance on your vehicles that's not too crazy, hit me up and I'll get you taken care of. Over here we got my car. It's on standby right now, but I recently just got rid of my Remnant Performance Omega 65 bottom mount. It was a great turbo. Unfortunately, for what I wanted to do and where I wanted to grow with the car, it wasn't gonna be adequate for what I wanted to do, so we're going top mount. I got a Speed Tech kit on the way, and then a 6870 Pulsar turbo going to be installed. So stay tuned. We're going to have this thing dialed up pretty soon, hopefully within the next couple weeks, and we'll see you guys.
Yeah, I'll be sick. Wait, hold on.
What's up?
Who's tuning you?
Ooh, Doug Newton.
Doug Newton. Oh, what's his website?
Subpartuning.com.
Subpartuning.com. Y'all heard that? So there we have it. Thanks again to JC Performance, helping us out as always. If you're in the DFW area, hit them up. They'll get you right. These two cars, we'll have them out on a XRP, Yellow Belly, some street action maybe. But thanks y'all again. See you next time.